In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a visitor counter in Shopify. We'll walk through installing a visitor counter app, enabling it in your theme, and then customizing how it looks and behaves on your product pages. By the end, you'll have a live visitor counter that can help create urgency and social proof for your store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the options that appear, choose Apps. In the search field, type Visitor Counter. This will open the Shopify App Store with relevant results. From the search results, look for the Levo Scarcity Visitor Counter app and click on it to open the app page. Click the Install button and follow the prompts Shopify shows you. Just confirm permissions as needed. Once the installation is complete, you'll automatically be redirected to the app's dashboard. On the app dashboard, look for a button that says Add App Block or App Embed Block. Click that button. A pop-up will appear explaining how to enable the app embed. In that pop-up, click Activate Now in the bottom right corner. This will take you straight to your Shopify theme editor, where you can control how the counter appears on your store. In the theme editor, look at the left-hand panel and find the section labeled App Embeds. Make sure the toggle for Visitors Counter is turned on. When this is enabled, you should already see a visitor counter appear in the preview on the right side of the screen. If you want to change where it shows up on the page, click the sections icon at the top of the left panel. Then, in the list of blocks, find the Product Visitor Counter block and drag and drop it to a new position until it sits exactly where you want it on your product page. If you want to edit the design or behavior of the counter, you'll do that back in the Levo app dashboard. Return to the Levo dashboard, and on the left panel under Live Visitors Counter, click Counter Settings. Inside this editor, you'll see a live preview on the top right and all the settings on the left. Under the Content section, you can change the visitor counter text, adjust the position of the counter, and customize the style. This includes things like border style, colors, and the background color, so you can make it match your brand. Then, under Appearance Rules, you can define how the counter actually works. Choose how many days back the counter should use when counting visitors, set the minimum number of visitors required before the counter appears, and decide whether you want returning visitors to be counted as unique or not. You can also control where the counter appears, either on all products or only on specific products. When you're happy with your setup, don't forget the final step. Click Save at the top near the search bar. This will apply all your changes to the live store. After saving, visit one of your product pages on the storefront to confirm that the visitor counter is showing and behaving the way you expect.